Hello everyone. The topic for today is priority scheduling, non-preemptive algorithm. In priority scheduling, every process is assigned a unique number which determines the priority level of that particular process. Lower the number, higher is the priority. So this means that हमने क्या करना है, हर एक प्रोसेस को एक नंबर असाइन करना है. अगर उस नंबर की वैल्यू कम है तो उसकी प्रायोरिटी ज़्यादा है. So ये जनरल कन्वेंशन है. Let us take an example. So now here are 5 processes and the priority levels are 1, 2 and 3. So 1 means highest priority and 3 means lowest priority. Now at time 0 there are two processes in this system, P1 and P2. Now we need to decide कि इन दोनों में से highest priority किसकी है. So we need to check on the number in the priority column. So P1 is having priority 1 and P2 is having priority 2. So this means that P1 is higher priority process. So we are going to start with process P1. Now P1 requires 4 seconds to run. So for next 4 seconds P1 is going to execute. At time 4 P2 is the only process क्योंकि कोई भी और नया process arrive नहीं हुआ है till time 4. So the next turn is of P2. So while P2 is running, a new process P3 arrives at time 6. So we add P3 into the system. Since it is non-preemptive, so we need not to bother until P2 has finished. So P2 finishes at time 7. Since P3 is the only process, so we are going to start with P3. So while P3 is executing, at time 11 P4 arrives and at time 12 P5 arrives. P3 finishes at time 14. Now we need to decide which out of P4 and P5 is having higher priority. So P4 is having priority 3 and P5 is having priority 2. This means P5 is having higher priority, so the next process will be P5. It is going to run for 2 seconds and finally we are going to run P4 for 4 seconds and the system will stop at 20. So this is non-preemptive priority scheduling. Waiting time is simple, start time minus arrival time. So for P1 the start time is 0, the arrival time is 0. For P2 the start time is 4, arrival time is 0. For P3 the start time is 7, arrival time was 6, so waiting time is 1. Similarly for P4 and P5. Now important point to remember is that priority scheduling suffers from a problem called starvation. Starvation means कि अगर एक process system में आ गया but वो wait कर रहा है because a higher priority process is running. So till the time that process is running, new process arrives which again is having higher priority than the currently waiting one. तो जो नया process आया उसकी priority भी जो wait कर रहा है process उससे ज़्यादा है, तो waiting वाला फिर से wait करता रहेगा, right? So if this situation continues to happen that जो process जो wait कर रहा था वो waiting state में ही है क्योंकि जो नए process आ रहे हैं उन सब की priority उस waiting process से ज़्यादा है, then that waiting process gets into a state called starvation. तो solution क्या है उसका? Solution is aging. Aging means that you increase the priority of the process after fixed interval of time. So let us suppose कि जो wait कर रहा था process उसकी priority जो है वो 3 है, तो हम क्या करेंगे कि fixed interval of time के बाद, for example suppose half an hour के बाद उस process की priority automatically increase हो जाएगी by a factor of 1. This means after first half an hour उसकी priority कितनी हो जाएगी? 2. Again if it is not able to finish, then after another half an hour the priority will increase to 1. So ultimately it is going to get the highest priority and it will finally get its turn. So this is all about priority scheduling non-preemptive algorithm. So there is one question for you to practice, so you can share your answers in the comment section. So the next topic will be on priority scheduling preemptive algorithm. So whatever you have discussed here, the PPT is available at the given link. See you in the next class. Take care.